Top headlines coming today is that 4 men have been arrested regarding the kidnap of the former Australian cricketer and released after an hour. After that, we will see Pat Cummins and other Australian cricketers getting anxious as to when they can return home with the COVID crisis. At the very end, we will see the Pakistan all-rounder who was disappointed with IPL being called off and the rising COVID cases. Everything here on News Tracker. Hello everybody and welcome to News Tracker. My name is Sanjit Kango and here we'll be talking about everything new in the cricketing world. Before starting off this video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it right away. Former Australian cricketer Stuart MacGill was kidnapped from his home on April 14th. He was taken to another corner of the city where he was beaten up and threatened with a gun. However, the kidnappers released him after an hour. The Australian police have caught 4 men regarding this case on May 5th. If reports are to be believed, MacGill said that one man approached him on the street, whereas 2 others put him in the car and took him to that place. Stuart MacGill was a crafty leg spinner during his times, and Shane Warne who was at the peak of his career during the same time, which is why MacGill never got the opportunity to prove himself on the grand stage. The postponement of the 14th edition of the Indian Premier League has been a disappointment to everyone around the world. It includes the BCCI, the fans and the players who are stranded in India. Because of the COVID-19 restrictions, the players are not able to go back home, which include Pat Cummins and his fellow Australian mates who are stuck here in India. Australia has imposed a travel ban to players who are coming back from India. Pat Cummins is currently in Ahmedabad with the Kolkata Knight Riders team, wherein 2 players Varun Chakravarti and Sandeep Warrier were tested positive, after which the match against Royal Challengers Bangalore was called off. Pat Cummins was clearly anxious as to when he can go back home, and he same reported to Fox Cricket. Former Pakistan all-rounder Azhar Mahmood expressed his disappointment over the postponement of the Indian Premier League. The BCCI and the IPL Governing Council took a collective decision to postpone the Indian Premier League as the COVID cases in the bio bubble kept increasing. Azhar Mahmood took to Twitter and told that it's really sad about what's going on, and because of this, another big tournament being called off. Mahmood said, "We are in a worldwide pandemic, faced with several challenges. It's sad to see another big tournament being affected. However, it's the right decision taken at this point. It's important to understand nothing can be watertight, and working against the pandemic is challenging itself." That is all from us here at the News Tracker. My name is Sanjit Kango and I'll be signing off. Before ending this video, do let me know down in the comment section what you felt about it. Don't forget to like or share this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do it right away. I'll be back soon with some amazing news ahead. Until then, see you all.